Hello, my friends from Meow and Sunny. Today we are going to do a new adventure in Parco Retrone. This is the first time we go to this park, so we don't know how is it. It's a place in nature, so let's see it together. I'm sorry about the background sound. This is our GPS because we have no idea on where are we going. So let's go. We just arrived to the park, so let's see how is it. It looks very cool and very big. Let's see.
I don't wanna fight right now. Know you always right now. Know I need you around with me, but nobody when you're around with me. Been through the ups, yeah, the ups and the downs of me. Got a whole lot of love, but you don't wanna spread it around with me. Yeah, never pick up, never call me. You know we're running out of time. Never pick up when you own me. Nah, no, I gotta draw a line. Baby, I done enough talking. Need to know that you're mine. Baby, we done enough talking. Gotta be right now. Baby, gon' want me now or never. I want you to hold me down forever. Hey, hey. I don't wanna fight right now. Now or never. Yeah. I don't wanna fight right now. Now or never. Yeah. Said you know I wanna keep you around forever. I want you to love me now or never. Oh. I'm turning off the light right now. I'm calling it a night. Now wishing you were around with me, but you in a different town than me. Been through it all, but you can never spit it out for me. Trying to talk to a wall, but you can never tear it down for me. Yeah, never pick up, never call me. You know we're running out of time. Never pick up when you own me. Nah, no, I gotta draw a line. Baby, I done enough talking. Need to know that you're mine. Baby, we done enough talking. Gotta be right now. Baby, gon' want me now or never. I want you to hold me down forever. Hey, hey. I don't wanna fight right now. Now or never. Yeah. I don't wanna fight right now. Now or never. Yeah. Oh, draw the line up. Don't take no more time up. Make your mind up. I need you to make your mind up. Draw the line up. Don't take no more time up. Baby, you gotta decide something. Let me know. Baby, gon' love me now or never. I want you to hold me down forever. Hey, hey. I want you to hold me down. Hey, said you know I wanna keep you around. Yeah. I don't wanna fight right now.
Fire makes my city look so bright. Close your eyes
plan. Just stay tight, we have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me.
It's starting to get very, very cold. I think we have 3 or 4 degrees around, guys. So I'm freezing, but I don't care because I'm happy here. So I will continue this walk in this park full of birds, dogs. There are a lot of dogs, a lot of people who ride bicycles, and I'm up to the mood. Oh my gosh! Look where my feet right now. Oh my god. This is a kind of resting area. You can do a picnic during summer, or you can even sit down if you feel tired and relax a bit. You have beautiful trees all around you. Yeah, it's a very cool place. As you can see, the seats are very cool. So I don't want to rest. I want to continue this walk to the other side of the park.
and I'll be running to you. I feel like the one, but in this world, girl, maybe you're number two. Take my hand, I'll come follow, I'll be riding along. I know you care, but I don't care. You just made me feel at home. So say my name, and I'll come running to you. I feel like the one, but in this world, girl, maybe you're just number two. So say my name, and I'll come sprinting to you.
Okay guys, thanks for coming with me in this beautiful walk. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you soon with my next with my next adventure. Take care of yourself. Ciao and meow.